friends, welcome back to my channel Joespedia. I am first of all very sorry for not posting videos for such a long time. This lockdown has given me some time to really speak to you all, and I was just pruning these plants of mine. I keep myself busy with all the plants and taking care of them. Keep yourself busy during this lockdown so that you don't get bogged down with the time that you get. I know COVID 19 is not easy to take care of. We just need to cut the chain of the spread of virus. We have to take care of our family. We should stay home and stay safe. So while I was just pruning it, I was thinking I want to make something special today instead of the routine cooking and all that. So I'm going to make Mysore pak. Let's go and I'll make and show you. Okay, so today we are going to make Mysore pak. The main ingredient for it is the besan flour or the chickpea flour, which 3/4 cup of this cup I have taken, and the ghee, which has to be melted, and that also is the same quantity as you take the besan flour. And sugar I'm going to take extra, which is 1.5 cup of the same whole sugar. So I've kept two pans on the stove. One side I'm going to light the stove for the besan flour to be dry roasted, and on the other side I'm going to melt the ghee. Okay, so now let's dry roast the besan until we get a nice aroma of the besan. Make sure that the flame is in low to medium flame because it should not get burnt. And until you get a nice aroma of the besan, we can keep dry roasting it. So now on the other pan, we will melt the ghee until it is easy to mix it with the besan flour. While we are roasting the gram flour or the besan or chickpea flour, make sure that it is in low to medium flame because it should not get burnt. And once you get a nice aroma to it, we have to take it and sieve the besan flour. Okay, so now I can get a beautiful aroma of the roasted besan flour. Now I put off the stove. We will take this out and sieve it. So now we are going to sieve the besan which we have dry roasted it. Now I'm going to transfer this besan into a bowl so that we can mix this besan with the ghee that we have melted and kept, so that it's easy for us to mix the besan and the ghee so that there are no lumps. We have to make sure that there are no lumps while we mix both. So we have transferred it to the bowl. Now we will add the required ghee that I had mentioned, the same proportion to the besan. So we add this.
Don't add the full
ghee. We have to add the full ghee to it and then start mixing it. Make sure that there are no lumps to it. So now I am going to take the sugar that we need, and it's going to be 1 full cup and 1/4, which should be good enough for the amount of besan and the ghee that we have taken. And then we are going to melt it. So for this sugar, I am going to take 1/4 cup of water and put it to boil. Okay, and now we are going to boil this sugar to a consistency where you can have the thread coming out. The sugar consistency should be of a thread coming out. So now our sugar syrup is ready. I already mentioned it, that it should be a thread-like consistency. Be very careful because it is very hot. So just see, it should be like a thread, it should be coming out. So that's the consistency we need. And now we will add this mixture that we have prepared and kept with the besan and the ghee. And make sure you keep stirring it because it should not get lumps. The lump should not be formed in there. All through the process of making Mysore pak, make sure that the flame is in low to medium. Otherwise, it will get you will get lumps in the sweet, and you'll not be able to mix it properly if the flame is high. We should keep mixing this mixture until the sides leave the pan, since the ghee is there. And in between, we should keep, as it thickens, we should keep pouring the melted ghee that we have 2 or 3 times, or until you can feel that it is cooked. So until it gets cooked and separates the pan, we have to keep mixing it and ensure that there are no lumps to it. And we keep mixing it and adding the melted ghee that we have. So we have to keep some extra melted ghee to keep pouring it before we remove the pan from the stove. Okay, now we have taken this out from the stove, and I have greased this steel plate, as you can see it. Like ghee or oil, you can use it to grease it. And now we can pour it onto this. Okay. So now we have poured it into this greased plate, and we will leave this for some time so that it will become a little hard, and then we can make pieces. So now this has cooled down to room temperature. I'll make slices and keep, so that it's easy to take it when it is cool. As you can see, now our Mysore pak is ready to be taken off our plates, and it's wonderfully taken the shape of the plate, and we can just, as you remember, we had cut it, and now we can remove the slices and keep it. I can say it's an organic Mysore pak, which is made at home. Wow, a wonderful savoring Mysore pak is ready. Let me taste it. Wow, it melts in the mouth. It's so yummy. Please make this at home, make it for your family, and you can really come out of this COVID without any frustration in your home. And keep yourself busy, spend time with your children, play some indoor games. And this virus is actually very dangerous. The COVID-19 strain of the coronavirus, it is dangerous, but then we can't let it take our lives. So please stay home, stay safe, cut the chain of spread, and please stay with your family and enjoy each moment of your life. Thank you. Keep watching, like, share, and please subscribe for my channel. And I'll keep coming with new videos.